Hello. Sometimes we have an issue to download some files from our Google Drive. So I face same problem to downloading this photograph from my Google Drive. I click on download and nothing happened and just one error shown. Access to doc such and such content was denied. So what I do? I try 2 times, 3 times, but I am failed to download my file. So I find out a trick, and that trick works 101%. I will show you how. What is the trick? Trick is that Google Chrome have a option, private window. It is called as iCognito window. Just right click on Google Chrome and then click on new iCognito window. This window will open. Now write Google Drive. Search is done and you will see number of options. Just log into Google Drive. I already log in the number of account. I just select my account to log in. You have to enter your particulars if your account is not saved in Google Chrome. Then my account is opened. Now the same photograph is shown here in iCognito window. Now I again try to download. I right click on it and then click on download. Then my file is downloaded. Wow, my trick is worked. Now all things done. My file is downloaded. Now I show you. Just click on it to open it. Now you see my file is downloaded. Thank you so much. We are experts.